Sabi mo
Sign
dyan.
language.
Mag-mute na lang, mag-mute.
Mute na tayong lahat. Game in 3, 2, 1. Let's go mga kabe!
Oh my God! Talagang papakantay na, Athena Colin, kasalanan mo talaga to, be.
Careless
Guys, hindi mo ako
whisper.
sorry.
Careless whisper.
Ate, may isa pa siyang, tawag dito, tatak na
Hoy!
song. Yung
Hoy!
WhatsApp. Yung
Hoy!
WhatsApp, ang
Ah,
galing,
yung nire-request
galing.
niya sa
Sumigaw sa
Oo,
mic.
sabi ko sa inyo, request mo kanta
Okay,
niya.
2
Hoy,
songs.
silencio,
Let's
parang-
go. Maaga pa, 12:30 pa lang. Kaya ko pang, magpuyat.
Oh my
2
gosh.
songs. Let's go.
Mi amor. Wait lang. Kinakabahan ako. Pwede po ba mag-off ka, mga be?
Hindi, be. Hindi pwede. Hindi ka, Janet. Hindi po
Pwede
pwede.
ibang kanta na lang, pero classic pa din.
Papayag ba tayo?
Careless whisper, careless
Post na
whisper.
post ako. Galing akong campaign kahapon, mga be.
Ay,
matala.
galing gawin! Kasi kahit yung WhatsApp na lang. O, yung WhatsApp na lang, dali.
Oh my goodness. O, hindi naman ako songerist kasi, unlike you guys.
Ito naman, masyado naman to. Kala mo talaga. O, game na, dali na.
I'll
Tayo
try
lang
my
to.
best, guys. Para sa
Stream
inyo
ni
mga
Ate
songers.
Ate kinanta niya yung All by Myself.
Huh!
Di ba ate niya?
Mga kabe, mag-ingay.
Mga be, talaga, pag kayo hindi kayo nagbagsak ng bag rain dyan, ha? Let's go, mga be. "25 years and my life is still trying to get up that great big hill of hope for a destination. I realized quickly when I knew I should that the world was made up of this brotherhood of man, for whatever that means. And so I when I'm lying in bed just to get it, I'm feeling a little peculiar. And so I take it and I get real high and I scream from top of my lungs, what's going on? And I say, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? And I say, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? Ooh, mga be, pasensya na. Ako lang to. Oh, wala ba magpapaulan dyan? Hina nyo naman? Char! Mga be! Let's go! Hiyang-hiya ako, nanginginig ako mga be. And I try, oh my God, do I try? I try all the time in this institution, and I pray. And so sometimes when I'm lying in bed just to get it, what's in my head, and I'm feeling a little peculiar. And so in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and I get real high and I scream from top of my lungs, what's going on? And I say, hey, yeah. ako naman. Wala bang paulan dyan para kay Miss Anne? It's 25 years and my life is still trying to get up that great big hill of hope for a destination.
Grabe naman yan! Oy! Nalala ko mo may ganda-ganda ng boses mo. Gigigil talaga ako sa'yo. Kukurutin kita dyan eh.
Nahihiya pa siya niya na. Nahihiya pa siya niya.
Hiyang-hiya pa siya ng
yan.
lagay na
Oo,
yan.
hiyang-hiya
Ang ganda
yan.
pala ng boses ni Nyaz. Grabe, hoy.
Sabi
Bakit
ko sa'yo,
ganun?
ate.
Gusto ko
Uy,
yung
shoutout
may...
naman kay Kim.
Gusto ko
Supportive
yung ano,
girlfriend.
Oo nga, supportive jowa. Wait lang, di kami ready sa paro-paro, G.
Let's go. Kailangan, ate, kailangan. Tatak Nyaz, paro-paro G. Kailangan
Ay,
yun.
gusto ko yan. Adali, sayaw natin. Okay, wait. Paro-paro, G. Wait lang. Remix or... Hoy, GJ, sumali ka. Lahat ng nakaakyat.
GJ!
Ate Nina! Hello, Ate Nina.
DJ.
GJ, ano na?
Welcome.
Kami lang? Hindi pwede yan. A game, let's... Ay, wait lang. May ano pa eh.
Pwede ba may kasamang
Ate
Kim
Nina.
Ungko sa tabi?
Ano?
Ano may kasamang girlfriend, di ba?
Sali si Kim. Ate Nina, thank you. Ano ba yun? Game!
Let's go!
Yes, kamisado.
Pogi ang maganda. Let's go!
Budot.
Energy! Taray niya! Let's go niya! Galing mo, be!
Isang toxic naman dyan. Isang toxic naman dyan. Isang toxic.
Ay, bago ba yun?
Apo,
Bago sa TikTok na sikat.
Pambansang DC yun. We found love.
Ano yun? Pambansang...
Yung kay Rihanna, we found love. We found love.
Alam mo yun, Yaz? Yung We Found Love, yung sayaw?
Alam niya yan.
Oy, hindi pa niya alam. Alam mo talaga.
Patugtog mo.
Wait. Baka hindi lang niya alam title. Hindi daw niya alam. Yung We Found Love in a Hopeless Place. Toxic daw, sabi ni Kim. Wait, nag-request si Kim. Toxic. Kakantahin natin.
Kakahiya. Oh my gosh, mga be. Hindi tayo
Ano
ganito.
ba? Hindi ka naman mag-isa tayo naman sa talaga. Kapaka mo.
Hindi tayo ganito for today's video.
May nakita ako sa IG, I'll be missing you na dance step. Ano yung I'll be missing you? Sino kumanta na reaching? Oo nga, Kim. Ay, maganda si Kim. Ano yan? Chicks yan, chicks. Nagpakita na yan dati. Kim, dali pakita ka daw.
Isang high naman, DJ
Isang high lang. Grabe naman. Hindi pa daw nakita ni Mama. Sige, habang kinakanta ka ta. Ha? Hi, Kim. Thank you sa pagiging supportive.
Chika, babe.
Isang
Oh,
high naman,
bye.
DJ K. Isang high.
DJK pala eh.
Oo. At Ate Alisa, flight attendant yan sa Sebpak.
Nyaz, mag-mute ka, Nyaz! Aray ko, naiiyak ako. Uy, grabe yung tawa ni Athena. Kala mo walang bukas. Naiiyak ako sa inyo. Ang pala itong mga...
Isang high naman ng DJ K.
Oo, signature niya yung tawa na yan. Ganyan. Isang high daw. Ay, DJ,
Yung
wait lang.
Yes, mag-mute ka.
Sorry. Ang ingay namin.
Hello, 53 million viewers. Hello. Let's go.
Grabe, boses pa lang, ang ganda-ganda na. No?
Yan.
Chicks na
makita
boses
niyo
pa
siya,
lang,
ate.
pati na hyper ka na naman. Ay, hindi talaga yan. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, vampira kasi yan. Again, nakakantahin na natin yung request ni DJ K. Okay.
Ako, ate, wala akong ligo.
Ate, hindi niya request yun.
Ni-request niya para sayaw ni Nyas. Vicky. Let's go! Hey, Gigi, tumayo ka, dali! Atina, walang naliligo sa pamilyang to. Okay lang yan. Baby, can't you see I'm calling? A guy like you should wear a warning. It's dangerous, I'm falling. There's no escape, I can't wait. I need a hit, baby, give me it. Dangerous, I'm loving it. Oh, ito na, dalian nyo, tayo! Too high, can't come down. Losing my head, spinning round and round. Do you feel me now? Raging, thank you so much. Let's go! 3, and with the taste of your lips, I'm on a run. I'm addicted to you. Don't you know? Mga kape! Mga kape! I love what you do. Don't you know that you're toxic? Shut! Kala mo niya, ikaw lang ha? It's getting late to give you up. I took a sip from a devil's cup. Slowly, it's taking over me. Let's go! Too high, can't come down. It's in the air and it's all around. Come on there, can you feel me now? Everybody, 3, 2, 1. With the taste of your lips, I'm on a run. You're toxic, I'm slipping into the taste of a poison paradise. I'm addicted to you, don't you know that you're toxic? Hey, hey, and I love what you do, don't you know that you're toxic? Don't you know that you're toxic? Si Athena. Hey. Taste of your lips, I'm on a rise. You're toxic, I'm slipping under the taste of a poison paradise. I'm addicted to you, don't you know that you're toxic? Hey, but my love, what you do, don't you know that you're toxic? Hey, don't you know that you're toxic? Hate me now, with your loving now. Think I'm ready now, I think I'm ready now. Intoxicate me now, with your loving now. I think I'm ready now. Yes, mga TikTokers nandito, araw-araw nagdi-TikTok. Lalo na yan si GJ. Ayan guys, sa ating 50 million viewers guys, don't forget to follow me. And of course, ang ating mga beautiful, wonderful, pogi na co-hosts. Ayan. Pakantahin natin si Athena. Athena, naka-setup ka, hindi pwedeng hindi ka kakanta. Nasakto yan. Kailangan 2 songs kasi naiihi ako. Demanding yun.
Gabi naman sa puso, ate.
Padian, sige. Papakinggan ko muna half nung kanta. Tapos We Found Love. Ayan,
We
sige.
Found Love,
Party-party na
sige,
tayo
sige.
para islep na. Uy, grabe, naka 2 hours 30 na pala tayo. Hindi ko namamalayan. Sorry po. Ang gulo-gulo po. Masaya lang po. Pasensya na. Ayan, sige. Kantahan tayo ni Athena. Let's go, Athena. Athena Colleen.
Ate, saglit lang. Saglit lang, ate, ha? Mag-mute ka dyan, Yas.
Kahit hindi party-party, okay lang. Ikaw kung anong bet mo. Kung ano lang
Try
yung...
natin mag-isang party-party song. Let's go.
Sige, go, go, go.
May music ba? Okay, let's go. Let's party shot! Kake's Bar is now officially open. Let's go, guys! Please don't stop the music. Ooh. Please don't stop the music. It's getting late. I'm making my way over to my favorite place. I'm gonna get my body moving, check this away. I wasn't looking for nobody when you looked my way. Possible candidate, yeah. Could be you. You're making staying over here impossible. Things that you're alright is incredible. If you don't have to go, don't. Ba't di ko makinig sa sarili ko? But now we're rocking on the dance floor, acting on it. We're hand in hand, chest to chest, and now we're face to face. I wanna take you away to escape into the music. DJ, let it play. Oh, I just can't refuse it. Like the way you do this. Keep on rocking through it. Please don't stop the music. I wanna take you away. Let's escape into music. DJ, let it play. I just can't refuse it. Like the way you do this. Keep on rocking through it. Please don't stop the music. Let's go. Getting close. Don't you feel the passion ready to explode? What goes on between us, no one has to know. This is a private show. Do you know where to start it? I just came here to party, but now we're rocking on the dance floor, acting naughty. Your hands are on my waist, just let the music play. We're hand to hand, chest to chest, and now we're face to face. I wanna take you away, so escape into the music. DJ, let it play. Oh, I just can't refuse it. Like the way you do this, keep on rocking to it. Please don't stop the music. I wanna take you away. Let's escape into the music. DJ, let it play. Oh, I just can't refuse it. Like the way you do this, keep on rocking to it. Please don't stop the music. Woo, let's go. DJ, asan yung shot mo? Music at the reaching shot. Please don't stop the music. 9:41 a.m. Music. One more time, let's go. Wanna take you away, let's escape into the music. DJ, let it play. I just can't refuse it. Like the way you do this, keep on rocking to it. Please don't stop the music. I wanna take you away, let's escape into the music. DJ, let it play. I just can't refuse it. Like the way you do this, keep on rocking to it. Please don't stop the music. Please don't stop the music. Stop the music.
Sakto na naman yung pag...
wiwi mo. Naging sakto.
Nararamdaman niya talaga, oh girl, dali, patapos na si Athena.
Nagsasalita!
Ang lala talaga ng tawa ng friend natin na isang kabe. Grabe ka.
Grabe, mga kabe, mag-ingay. Let's go.
Oo, let's go. Buti pa dyan, umaga pa. Raching, umaga na, wala pang
Umaga
tulog yan si Athena.
Nabawasan nga ako ng isang oras kasi nag-daylight saving time na naman kami.
Ay,
Nabawasan kami.
tingnan mo, may
Dapat
ina-achieve
8:30
pala siya.
lang.
May ina-achieve pala siyang oras na hindi matulog. Oo. Hindi talaga yan. Kasi isa siyang vampira. Oo. Isa talaga siyang vampira. Hindi nyo lang alam.
Natawa ako na sa Athena Colin kanina. Kakainis.
Oo,
ate.
Athena
Natawa
Colin.
ka. Colin.
Yes. Pero hindi si Edward ang jowa niya, si Bella.
Bella. Siya talaga ang bet ko.
Uy, diba,
ate.
wait lang, pero diba, ay, Maritesing. Pero diba si yun sa totoong buhay, si Bella, nag-come out siya, diba?
Si
nag-come out na
Kirsten.
siya.
Kirsten.
Si Kristen Stewart.
Mm.
Oo, grabe. Sobrang, siniship ko dati yung, Edward Bella. Sobrang addicted talaga ako dyan. Pero ayun,
Hindi pala sila
si-
talo, ate.
oo, hindi pala si Edward ang hinahanap niya. Ate Be, kapatid po ba kayo? Bakit Zanjo?
Magpinsan sila, ate.
Pinsan po, pinsan.
Totoo ba? Ay, hindi ko alam. Hindi ako aware. Okay. Di mo naman sinasabi, Be!
Pagpasok ka, ay pinsan ko po si Sanjo Marudo, ganon.
Pwede rin naman.
Napakahirap ang sign language dito, mga be.
Buti na lang nagtanong si Jeming. Oo, nagsa-sign language na siya talaga siya kasi nag-feedback talaga. Kawawa naman niya.
Totoong pinsan niya?
Totoong pinsan niya. Oo, totoong pinsan daw niya.
Bakit?
Oo.
Char.
May kaibigan tayong sikat. Lalo sa TikTok. Uy guys, i-follow niyo yun sa TikTok, promise. Oo, yan na talaga magtuturo sa akin ng TikTok. Saglit na siya magsalita. Pabilisang magsalita.
Hanapin ko yung username niyo, ate.
DJ? Anong username mo daw sa TikTok? Nyaz.
Hanapin ko, ate. Hindi ko
User
sabihin.
1234.
Nyaz Marudo. Nyaz Marudo.
Anyas Marudo daw, guys. Oo. Pero gusto ko itanong, wait lang. Kasi marites ako. Bakit Nyaz?
Ay, ako alam ko kung ano ba ang pangalan niya.
Hoy, wait! Baka na-autoblock kayo dito, mga be. Change topic.
Katulad ni Migs, di ba? Megan, ano
Yeah.
yung kay Migs?
Megan Lia.
Megan Lia. Oh.
Ate, sino
Wala sila Tita Mercy,
ano?
nandito pa
Sino
pala.
nga
Tita
kumanta
Mercy,
nung-
sorry ang ingay po namin. Pasensya na po. Si
Sino
Nyaz, gusto ko
kumanta nung
malaman.
Ate, sino kumanta nung Love Moves in Mysterious Way?
Nina.
Ay, we.
Ay, sino ba?
Talaga. Hi po. Hi po,
Kaso may
Vina.
May buntot dun sa pangalawa. Sa pangalawang N, may buntot.
Hindi siya Nina, tita. MYMP, di ba, ate?
Ha?
Nina Joyce kasi, Nina Joyce, opo.
Gusto ko yung kikil siya.
Kaya kayo, mga be. Dapat pala bago ko ni-reveal, no, nagpa-backgreen muna, no, dapat.
Ay, mali tayo, Nyaz.
Mali. Sayang. Pero pansin ko lang, ate, kanina, nung kumakanta ako, support si Kim. Ay, nung kumakanta si Nyaz, support si Kim. Tapos may pa-background si Net. Nung ako yung kumanta, wala, ate.
Ay,
Bakit
grabe.
ganon?
Kailangan daw isang kanta pa, Athena. Mabawi daw sila. Asan na daw yan? Asan na daw yung background net?
Shoutout naman sa shoutout naman dun sa asawa ko dyan, di ba?
Oo, yung Athena Nation, ano na.
Wala na.
Oo. Tita Mercy, si visualizer po ay si Raching. Opo. Busy na. Ang sakit sa busy na daw siya. Grabe
Time
yun.
sa akin. Sige, at isang kanta pa, bagyan wala talagang background.
Oh,
Sinasabi
yes,
ko.
isang kanta pa, dali-dali. Oo. Talaga. Kailangan daw yan may... Ayan guys, i-follow. Oh, tingnan nyo, 300k followers.
Baka
Oo.
pwede mag-play
Little
ng isang
things,
ano
little
dyan.
things.
Isang
Ninyas.
sayaw dyan.
Anyas.marudo pala. Anyas.marudo. O guys, i-follow nyo na sa TikTok. Dali, dali, dali. Ayan. Sige, kakantahan pa tayo ulit natin. Ayan. Let's go. Follow nyo na guys si Kabe. Adele Yorn.
Oh, hello, Mela. Hello, hello, hello. Shout out. Everybody loves the things you do. From the way you talk to the way you move. Everybody here is watching you. 'Cause you feel like home. Feel like a dream come true. But if by chance you're here alone, can I have a moment before I go? Hello, Dave. 'Cause I've been by myself all night long, hoping you're someone I used to know. You look like a movie. You sound like a song. My God, this reminds me of when we were young. Let me photograph you in this light in case it is the last time that we might be exactly like we were before we realized we were scared of getting old and made us restless. It was just like a movie. It was just like a song.
Wala ka. Support din.
'Cause somebody told me that you'd be here. And I swear you moved overseas. That's what you said when you left me. Still look like a movie. Still sound like a song. My God, this reminds me of when we were young. Let me photograph you in this light in case it is the last time that we might be exactly like we were before we realized we were sad of getting old and made us restless. It was just like a movie. It was just like a song. We were young when we were young. When we were young. When we were young. It's hard to win me back. Everything just takes me back to when you were there. To when you were there. Thank you sa mga pabaner. And a part of me keeps holding on just in case it hasn't gone. I guess I still care. Do you still care? It was just like a movie. It was just like a song. My God, this reminds me